Hello kids, welcome to Tiny TV. Today we are learning animals and their homes. So let's start together. Bear. Bear lives in a cave. Lion. Lion lives in a den. Dog. Dog lives in a kennel. Pig. Pig lives in a pigsty. Cow. Cow lives in a shed. Horse. Horse lives in a stable. Duck. Duck lives in a pond. Hen. Hen lives in a coop. Lion. Lion lives in a den. A bird lives in a nest. A duck lives in a pond. A chicken lives in a coop. A goldfish lives in a aquarium. A bear lives in a cave. A beaver lives in a lodge. Hen lives in a coop. Zebra. Zebra lives in a safari. Duck lives in a nest or pond. Swan lives in a swanery. Aardvark lives in a burrow or den. Hamster. Hamster lives in a cage. Birds lives in a aviary. Rook. Rook lives in a nest. Eagle. Eagle lives in a aviary. Owl. Owl lives in a owlery. Bittern. Bittern lives in a nest. Penguin. Penguin lives in a penguinery. Swan. Swan lives in a swanery. Duck. Duck lives in a nest or pond. Bee. Bee lives in a hive. Thank you for watching Tiny TV. Please like and subscribe.